Thank you for your interest in NuVue's folding pest control cover. This video will show you step-by-step instructions on how to assemble your pest control cover. A lot of care has gone into the design of NuVue's products so that they are easy to assemble and no tools are required. Step 1. Untie the 2 fabric ties that are securing the cover closed. Pull open the sides of the cover, spreading the cover out loosely in 4 directions. Step 2. Place one hand on top of the plastic fitting. With the other hand, pull up on the rod until the movable plastic arm locks in place. Step 3. Repeat this step for the remaining 3 sides. Step 4. Place the pest control cover over the plants or shrubs you wish to protect. Step 5. With a rubber mallet, hammer the 4 ground spikes through the NuVue material tabs at the bottom of 4 corners of the pest control cover. The ground spikes should be installed at a 45-degree angle to properly secure the cover. Disassembly. Step 1. Remove the 4 ground spikes, securing the cover to the ground. Step 2. Place one hand on top of the plastic fitting and press down on the outside tab with the other hand until the locking mechanism releases. Please ensure that the metal grommet does not interfere with the locking mechanism release. Step 3. Repeat this step on the remaining 3 sides. Step 4. Roll the cover up and bow tie the fabric ties on the sides to keep the cover folded up. Step 5. Store in a dry place until the next use.